Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the NerdWallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Once you do this, just tap on the search box and then search for NerdWallet. Once you find the application, you can simply go ahead and tap on it and you will find the install button. Now since this application is not available in my location, I cannot install it. But if you can tap on it to open it up, you will find the install button. Once you tap on install, the download and installation will begin. And when it's complete, you will see the open button. You can then tap on it and this will open up the NerdWallet application on your smartphone. And then you can proceed with using the app by logging in or signing up to your account. How to sign up and create a new account with NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official NerdWallet website where you can sign up and create a new account by clicking on the sign up button at the top right corner. You can then directly continue with your Apple account by clicking on Continue with Apple, or you can manually fill up the form. Just type in your first and your last name and then your email address and then type in the desired password for your account. Then just click on the Continue button and now you will be asked to choose a security question. Just click on the drop down menu and then just select your preferred question and then provide the answer as well. Finally, click on the Continue button and now you will be signed up and taken into your dashboard. And now you can immediately start using NerdWallet. How to log in to your existing account on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar just type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official NerdWallet website. In order to log into your existing account, simply click on the sign in button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now if you created your account using your Apple or your Google account, you can simply click on the respective buttons and then just click on your account to automatically log in. Now if you created your account the old-fashioned way, then just go ahead and enter your email address followed by your account password. Then just click on the Continue button and you will be logged into your NerdWallet account. In case you forgot your password, just go ahead and click on the Forgot Your Password button and you will be allowed to reset your login credential. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on NerdWallet. How to change the password for your NerdWallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official NerdWallet website where you can log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner. Then just use your login credentials and you will be taken into the dashboard. Now from your dashboard, in order to change your password, just hover over to the My NerdWallet option and then underneath account you will be able to find the password option. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be taken into your password settings page. Now in order to change your password, all you need to do is type in your current password first, followed by your desired new password, and then just click on the Change Password button. You might be asked to confirm whether you are sure you want to change your password, and after you confirm it, your new password will be set. How to reset your forgotten password on NerdWallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Now from the home page, you will find the sign in button at the top right corner. Just click on it and you will be taken into the login page. Now in case you forgot your password, you will find the Forgot Your Password link above the Continue button. Just go ahead and click on it and now you will be asked to enter your email address. Just go ahead and type in your email address and click on Send Reset Email. You will now be told that your instructions have been sent to your email address. So just go ahead and check your inbox
and you will find an email from NerdWallet which contains a reset password button. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be allowed to set up your new password. Before setting up your new password, you will be asked to enter the answer to your security question. Just go ahead and type in the answer to your security question and then type in your desired new password twice to confirm it. Then just click on the next button, and now you will see that your password has been reset. You can click on the sign in button and proceed with signing into your account using your new login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your password on NerdWallet. How to log out from your NerdWallet account if you are signed in to any web browser or PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the web browser that your account is signed into, and then simply type in nerdwallet.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, since you are already signed in to your account, you will be taken into the NerdWallet homepage where you will see the My NerdWallet button at the top right corner. Just hover over to this button, and now underneath the account option, you will be able to find the sign out button. Just go ahead and click on it, and you will now be signed out from your account on NerdWallet. And as you can see, you will see the sign in and the sign up button appear at the top right corner once again. So in order to sign back in, you simply need to click on the sign in button and then use your login credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on NerdWallet. How to delete your NerdWallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, just type in nerdwallet.com and press enter. Just log into your account if you haven't done so already by clicking on the sign in button and then using your login credentials. Once you log in, you will see this page on your screen. Now, once you're on this page, just hover over to the My NerdWallet section at the top right corner, and then underneath Account, click on Settings. This will then take you into the Settings page. Now, from the Settings page, just scroll down, and at the very end, you will find a red option which says Close My Account. Just go ahead and click on it, and now you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to close your account. Just click on Yes, Close My Account, and then you might be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password. Just go ahead and type in your password, and then confirm once again by clicking on the button, and then your account on NerdWallet will be deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your NerdWallet account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.